Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to send COD order confirmation and order status update on WooCommerce directly to customers via WhatsApp. This plugin adds two buttons to the WooCommerce admin order page, making easy to communicate with customers about their orders. The main benefit of COD confirmation is reduce the fraud and the fake orders. Confirming COD orders via WhatsApp ensure that the customer is genuinely interested in receiving the order. So you can reduce the risk of fake or fraud orders. Another best feature of this plugin is you can send WhatsApp order status updates to your customers. You can inform customers about the current status of their orders through WhatsApp. All this can be possible without any API. You can create this with your own business mobile number. It's super easy to create, so we can check how we can do it. So first you need to go to woosms.in where you can send SMS and WhatsApp notification for WooCommerce. There you can download this WhatsApp Woo Alert plugin. You can just download it. Once you download that, you can click on save and you can save to your computer. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and you can click on add new plugin. There you can upload the plugin. Click on choose file and you can upload the plugin and you can install the plugin. Once you install the plugin, you can click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, you can do the plugin settings. You can see the plugin settings here on the sidebar. Click on the WhatsApp notification and here you can add your company name and you can edit all the message templates. So for that you can go to WooSMS again and you can click on the dashboard documentation and here you can see all the documentation about the customization. You can see all the placeholder, so you can just read all these things and you can just edit the message templates as you want. So you can just edit all the template and click on save changes. Once you click on the save changes, you can go to the WooCommerce order section and you can send the notifications to your customers. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.